Hey guys, welcome to Workflow My Workload. I am your guide Justin Orazio, and today we're going to learn about automations within Smartsheet. Specifically in this video, we're going to learn how to automatically alert somebody in your sheet. Let's dive in. Alright, let's go ahead and start on our home screen here. And as you can notice here, if you haven't noticed already, Smartsheet just came out with an update. So everything is going to look a little different, and I like it. But without further ado, let's dive into automation. So first thing is first, we're going to start a sheet from scratch. So I'm going to go to this plus sign right here in the ribbon on the left. And then I'm going to go over here to grid. That's just a fancy way of saying sheet. Alright, by default I put in this information here. So let's go ahead and change this up. Instead of it assigned to, let's call it PM for project manager. Instead of primary column, I'm just going to double click into these headers here, and let's say project name. We've got a start date and end date here. I don't need these two columns, so I'm going to right click into the column header and click delete for both of these, and let's click save. Alright, let's create an automation for this one. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go up here to the top left where it says automation. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to go to create from scratch. Now there are some from template, but today I'm going to show you specifically how to alert someone. So let's do create from scratch, and it's going to ask you to give your automation a name. Rule of thumb, if you're going to have a lot of automations in the sheet, totally fine. I like to number them so that if you have a lot that you're going through, it's easy to navigate. So I'm going to call this number 1, and we'll say alert PM when new project is submitted. And you can call this whatever you want. I'm just calling this alert PM when new project is submitted. We're alerting the project manager when a new project lands on this sheet. So the first thing is we're going to talk about the trigger. So think of it like a boulder on top of a hill. For the boulder to roll down the hill, someone first has to push it at the very top. So this is what's going to trigger the automation. So I'm going to click into here, and you have some options here. What I'm going to choose is only when rows are added. I'm going to choose the last option here because I only want to alert the PM when a new project is added, not when it's modified. And you can choose specifically when something changes. I'm just going to choose any field, leave it as is. When any field changes, that's what's going to trigger it. And then my run workflow, I can do it as soon as it happens, as soon as it's triggered. I can do it hourly, daily, or weekly. Let's just go ahead and do triggered. All right, so the automation I'm going to choose is the first one here, alert someone. So I'm going to click into here. By default, it chooses my own name. So I don't want it to alert me. I want it to alert whoever is in the PM column. So I'm going to click here. It says send to specific people. I'm going to choose the second option here, send to contacts in a cell. And I'm going to go and click the drop down here. And there's only one contact column in the sheet, which is PM. If you remember right, we updated that earlier in this video. So I'm going to check PM, click out, and then I'm going to click here where it says change your permission settings. I'm going to bring it down to unrestricted. This is your permission settings for this test. I'm just going to use unrestricted. Rule of thumb, 90% of the time I'm using unrestricted. Click OK. Now the message that they receive is going to be two things, a Smartsheet alert and an email. So in this email, I can actually choose what I want the subject to look like. Let's say a new project has been submitted for you to manage. Please look at this project and make the correct actions, blah, 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 blah. All right, let's scroll down a little bit. The last thing here is by default, it's going to give them a link to the sheet and all the fields, but you don't want to do that. If you just shove everything over to them, it's going to be very confusing for them. So I'm going to choose the second or third option here. So the second option here, link sheet and specific fields. I can actually choose specific things on the sheet for them to see. So they're not seeing everything, only the things that I choose. Maybe I want them to see the comments, if there's any attachments, obviously the project name. I don't need them to see their own name because they know who they are. Maybe I want status, and maybe I want the start and end date. And that's it. Click out. And then I'm going to go ahead and click save. Hey guys, real quick, if you're finding this helpful so far, I've actually created a free user guide. It's a PDF that'll be sent right to your inbox that gives you the top 32 functions that are the most successful within Smartsheet. I tell you what they are, I show you a brief description how to use them, and what instances to use them for. Again, it's a free PDF guide, it's one sheet, it's all yours. I created it just for you. Just click in the bio below and it's yours. All right, let's get back to this video. All right, and then these are going to be your running list of automations right here. Click on the back sheet, and that is how you create an automation within Smartsheet to alert someone. All right, if you want to test it, we can go ahead and test it. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my own name here, and we'll call this project ABC, and I'm going to go ahead and click save, and I'm going to click refresh just to give it a little kick in the pants. So what I did here is I quote unquote added a new row in this sheet, a new project, and it's going to alert whoever the project manager is, whoever the PM is in that PM column. And it just so happens to be me. So I should receive an alert to myself, and that's why I'm testing it, just to test it and see what it does. All right, and here's my alert here. So your alerts are going to be found in the bell icon right here in the ribbon. So I'm going to click here. And oh, a new project has been submitted for you to manage. Let's take a look. Oh, and there's my test project right here. Again, you will also receive the PM, or whoever the PM is in this column for this row, will also receive an email with the exact same information. All right, you guys, take care and God bless, and I will see you tomorrow for the next automation.